here just to give you guys a huge thank you. I appreciate all of your love and support, the positive comments, all of you liking and subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have gotten to 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully we can get to 3,000 soon. And I wanted to make a very quick announcement. We are doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away, in honor of our 2,000 subscribers, a $20 Roblox gift card, as well as you can win an exclusive It's Mel Mel shirt, which you will be able to pick the color of, which is so, so cool. And the last thing is a $10 Roblox gift card. How crazy is that? 3 giveaway winners. You can have 3 chances. These are the rules. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment the word giveaway. And I am going to pick a special winner. Also, with the It's Mel Mel shirt, you will get a shout out on my channel. And that's it. Bye.